Strengthening your obliques will help you ride longer, stronger, and more efficiently. This workout only takes 7 minutes. Let's get started. The first exercise is hip dips. From your traditional plank position, making sure that the shoulders are over the elbows, tailbone is tucked under, you're just gonna start to make a rainbow with your tailbone. Moving on to knee drive. Starting in push-up plank position, shoulders still over the wrist, you're just gonna pull the knee in towards the chest. The key here is using the strength of your core to control the movement. Next are butterfly sit-ups. These open up your hips, which are typically tight on cyclists. Bringing the soles of the feet together, knees out wide, hands are gonna go overhead. You're just gonna sit up and touch the opposite side of your feet. Moving on to plank side reach. In elbow plank position, making sure shoulders are over the elbows, a nice solid balance. You're just gonna reach one arm out to the side and replace the arm, alternating sides. This one challenges your stability as you reach the arm out to the side. Next is oblique crunch. Lying on your side with your knees bent, one hand is behind your head, the opposite hand on your hip. You're just gonna lift up, activating the obliques, and then slowly lowering right back down. These help with balance and stability, which is essential for peak performance on the bike. Moving on to spider crunch. These will increase your core strength and hip mobility. All you're gonna do is start in push-up plank position, and then moving from one side to the other, you're gonna pull the knee in towards the elbow. For more workouts like this, make sure you like and subscribe and check us out on YouTube.